Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Coders. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and beginner friendly programming language out there, Python. We will explore what Python is, where it came from, and why it's taking over everything from web development to AI. So let's get started with a look at Python and its fascinating history. Right, let's talk about Python. And no, I am not talking about the snake. This one won't hiss, but it will bite you if you forget your indentation. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it means you can write code that actually look like English, unless your English include a lot of colons and weird spacing rule. Created by a chill Dutch guy named Guido van Rossum in the late 80s. Yep, while everyone else was busy with big hair and Walkmans, Guido was like, you know what the world needs? A programming language that does not make you cry, and thus Python was born. Python is super into code readability. It's like the neat freak of programming language. Everything has to be clear, tidy and intended just right or Python throw a tantrum. And guess what? It's a open source and free, so you get all this power without burning a hole into your wallets. That's right. Python is like the Robin Hood of programming language. Power to the people. It supports all kinds of programming styles, object-oriented, procedural, and even functional. Basically, Python is that overachiever in class who does everything and still manage to be everyone's friend. Whether you are a total newbie or a coding wizard who types faster than they think, Python got your back. Alright, so how did Python actually come into existence? Let's rewind to the late 80s, back when internet was not a thing. Floppy disks were everywhere. In the middle of all this madness, a Dutch legend named Guido van Rossum decided to do something wild, to build a new Python language. It was literally a hobby project. He started working on it around Christmas 1989. And where was this magical code born? At CWI in the Netherlands, a research institute where dreams and apparently programming languages come true. Guido was inspired by another language called ABC, not the alphabet, but an old programming language that was decent but clunky. The first official version, that is Python 0.9.0, was officially released in February 1991. It includes some stuff like function, modules, exception handling, and data types like string, list, and dictionary. And now the million-dollar question: why is it called Python? It's actually named after a British comedy group called Monty Python. Let's take a quick journey through the evolution of Python, a language that shaped the modern tech world. In year 1991, Python begins its journey. Guido van Rossum released version 0.9.0, introducing core features like function, modules, and exceptions. In year 1994, version 1.0 introduces Lambda, Map, and Filter, essential tool for functional programming and concise code. In year 2000, Python 2.0 bring list comprehensions and automatic memory management, making code cleaner and more efficient. In year 2008, a major milestone, Python 3.0 introduced modern feature and improved consistency but break backward compatibility. In year 2020, support for Python 2 official ends. Developers worldwide transition fully to Python 3. In 2002, Python continued to evolve with pattern matching, better performance, and cleaner syntax, adapting to modern development needs. So now a question arises: why does everyone love Python? First, easy to learn and read. Its syntax is clean and beginner friendly. You focus on logic, not confusing symbols. Huge community support. If you are stuck there, always help forums, tutorials, open source support. You never coding alone. Powerful libraries. From AI to automation, Python has libraries for everything, saving time and efforts. Cross platforms. Work smoothly on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Code once, run anywhere. Extremely versatile. Web depth, data science, automations, machine learning, and Python fits everywhere. High job demands. Startups to MNCs, Python skills are in demand. It's not just popular, it's career gold. That's why Python dominates. It's simple, flexible, and built for the future. Python is not just for tutorials. It's powering real-world tech across industries like data science and machine learning, Python is the go-to language for data analysis, AI, and machine learning. From Netflix recommendations to self-driving car models, it's all backed up by Python tools like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. Web development. Building a blog, startup app, or full-stack platform, frameworks like Django, Flask, and FastAPI make Python a web development favorite. Automation and scripting. Python is perfect for automating tasks, renaming files, sending emails, scrapping websites, or scheduling reports. It saves time like a pro. In cybersecurity, like in ethical hacking and cybersecurity, Python is widely used for scanning network, detecting threats, and writing quick analysis tool. Game development. Python can handle game dev too. With libraries like Pygame, you can build 2D games, prototypes, or even educational games. Financial and trading. Python runs complex financial model and algorithmic trading system. It's used in bank, hedge fund, and fintech startups worldwide. In education and research, thanks to its simple syntax, Python is the first language taught in many universities. It's used for academic research and prototypes. So whether it's data, AI, finance, game, or automation, Python is everywhere, not just a language, it's a tool that powers the modern digital world. So now, let's talk about the future of Python. In AI and data science, Python is leading the AI revolution. With the tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn, it remains to the go-to for machine learning and data science. Integration with emerging tech. From robotics to IoT, automation to self-driving tech, Python is at the core. It's powering devices from smart homes to space missions. Faster performance. Python 3.11 bring major speed upgrade. That means faster app, better memory use, and more responsive tool. Great news for the developers. Research. In science and education, Python is everywhere, used for simulations, models, and academic research. It became a standard in universities and labs. High job demands. Python remains one of the most in-demand skill in tech. Whether it's AI, automation, or backend development, it's a strong asset for any career. The future, yeah, it's bright. Python is not just keeping up, it's leading the way in shaping the next wave of technology. That brings us to the end of our journey through the world of Python, from its humble beginning to its powerful future. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this gave you a clear picture of why Python is not just popular, it's essential. Whether you are a student, developer, or a future entrepreneur, the best time to starting learning Python is now. And here the exciting part. Starting next video, we will dive into actual Python coding step by step. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay curious, keep coding, and Python on.